I'm KC Holley from New Skin Research and Development, and I'm considered a product expert. Meet the Nutriol Hair Care System, now with ageLOC science and optimized with galvanic technology. It nourishes, treats, and rejuvenates your scalp and hair to improve the look of thin, stressed, aging hair. Nutriol is a complete system with powerful ingredients for a scientifically advanced treatment. It is powered by charged ingredients, activated by the ageLOC Galvanic Spa, which helps to deliver vital nutrients to the scalp, roots, and hair, a holistic approach. For the scalp, we're introducing a new ageLOC proprietary blend for healthier looking hair. There is also a scalp and hair loving protein blend that revitalizes the scalp and hair. Let me explain. Hair is actually keratin, which is a protein. When you topically apply protein, then it can both strengthen the hair and nourish the scalp. The result is thicker, stronger, healthier looking hair that resists breakage. Your roots get tender loving care with licorice root extract that targets healthy hair follicles. And for gorgeous locks, it contains red clover and peptide blend to help hair look fuller, stronger, and resist breakage. It also contains ingredients to help protect the scalp and hair from free radicals and to protect from damage caused by heat styling. And there you have it. With Nutriol, you get fuller looking hair and a nourished scalp in a single system that's working as hard as you do.